Hi readers, this is Gomathi Shankar. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a very important tool, Narrow CPR Scanner. So far we have been calculating this Narrow CPR using charting. You might have seen in my Telegram channel, or even if you are searching for Narrow CPR Scanner charting, you will get a lot of narrow CPR links in Google itself. So you can choose any of the link over here, and there you can see narrow CPR stocks. So this is how we have been using narrow CPR stocks, and this is how we were scanning. There is a lot of other unwanted links in charting, which is not necessary. Instead of narrow CPR scanner, there are a lot of unnecessary settings added in the charting. So what we decided is we decided to bring a tool called Narrow CPR Scanner. It is available for free in our website cprbycages.com. As soon as you visit the website, you can see over top Narrow CPR Scanner. Just click on that. So what you have to do is you have to download the Bhavcopy from NSE, and you just have to upload it. So once you upload, you will get narrow CPR stocks instantly. For example, as you can see over here, go to NSE All Reports, download full Bhavcopy and security deliverable data, and upload the downloaded CSV file here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to this NSE All Reports. So it will redirect you to the NSE website. So here, enter the keyword. So what you have to do, you have to enter is just type for Bhavcopy. So as soon as you type Bhav, you can see reports for 10th June. Okay, as soon as the market closes, probably this data will be available after 6 p.m. So after 6 p.m. every day, what you have to do is you have to go to the reports, you have to search for Bhavcopy, and you have to download this one, full Bhavcopy and security deliverable data. Just click on it and it will be downloaded. Now come to our narrow CPR scanner page. What you have to do is you have to upload that Bhavcopy. So that's it. So I have uploaded the Bhavcopy. So what happens? It automatically calculates and it shows you the narrow CPR stocks. So here also you can see the settings for all equity stocks, which shows the CPR levels for all the 2,441 stocks in the NSE. And if you prefer to watch only the FNO stocks, then you can click on FNO stocks only, and it will show you only the results for this 211 stocks. So here what I'm going to do is I need only narrow CPR stocks. As you can see over here, it is showing you all the 211 stocks, but I want only the very narrow CPR stocks. So what I will do is I will enter 0.1. So right now you can see after filters, there is only 16 stocks available in the scanner. And these are the narrow CPR stocks for today, okay, using the Bhavcopy file. So you can sort this based on the alphabetical order or based on the LTP from lower price to higher price. You can sort based on the range, previous day high and low range. So in this particular stock, Petronet, Gale, and BPCL, the yesterday's range is just 3 points. So we let's cross check. Let's check for BPCL or Petronet. Let me search Petronet, and you can see the range between previous day high and low. So the previous day high and low range is hardly 3 points, and it is a very narrow CPR. And of course, it is an inside CPR as well. Today's CPR is inside yesterday's CPR, and you can see how very well it is trending. So it is on our list. So you can sort based on the range, or you can sort based on the width, very narrow CPR. So Keynes and Indus Tower is having a very narrow CPR. So let us check Keynes. So it's very narrow. Keynes is very narrow. You can see over here. And Indus Tower. So Indus Tower is also very, very narrow. You can see over here. All the three lines are forming a single line, but the values are very minute different. Okay, so this way you can scan narrow CPR stocks using NSE Bhavcopy instantly, and you can sort it based on the narrow CPR stocks. So if you are uh, any with less than 0.1 percentage will be very narrow. Above 0.1 percentage, definitely it will be having a medium CPR or a very wide CPR. All right. So even if you want more strict filter, you can just enter the width as 0.05. Okay, the 0.05 percentage will give you just 8 stocks, and these are very serious trending stocks. And you can do your own analysis, and you can plan your trades accordingly. So every day after 6 p.m., Bow copy will be available at NSE website. You just go download it and just upload it, and you will get the narrow CPR stocks, and you can plan your trade accordingly. And this tool is completely available for free in our website, cprpackages.com. I want everybody to explore this narrow CPR scanner and post your comments and feedbacks in the comment section. So in the next video, I will explain how to use weekly CPR scanner for choosing narrow CPR for the entire week. And we will discuss more about that in the next video. So until then, uh, this is Gomathi Shankar. Thank you. Bye.